Thousands of discarded shoes arrive daily for recycling. Each pair contains valuable materials ready for transformation.
Every shoe is inspected before processing begins. Material identification improves recycling efficiency.
Metal parts and foreign materials are removed. This ensures clean, recycled feedstock. Advanced scanners identify shoe materials instantly. Each component follows a dedicated recycling path. The shoe structure is broken into key materials. Rubber, foam, and fabric are processed separately. Rubber soles contain the largest recyclable fraction. They become the foundation of future floor tiles.
Industrial shredders reduce soles into manageable pieces. This prepares the material for fine processing. Granulators create consistent rubber particles. Uniform sizing improves tile quality. Precise screening creates uniform particle grades. Only approved granules continue forward.
High-pressure washing removes years of contamination. Clean material is essential for strong tiles.
Moisture is removed using heated airflow. Dry particles ensure consistent tile production.
Fine grinding improves particle consistency. This helps create smoother floor tiles. The processed rubber is stored in silos. Next, foam components enter recycling. EVA foam provides cushioning properties. It becomes an important tile ingredient. The foam is shredded into smaller pieces. This prepares it for precise blending.
Granulation creates uniform foam particles. Consistency improves final tile performance.
Screening ensures particle uniformity. Only correctly sized foam continues. Air classification removes unwanted dust. Clean material improves tile quality. Textile uppers are also recycled. Every usable material is recovered. Textile materials are cut into strips. This prepares them for fiber recovery. The fabric is transformed into reusable fibers. These fibers help strengthen the finished floor tiles. Air cleaning systems remove dust and debris. The recycled fibers are now ready for blending. Powerful magnets remove hidden metal fragments. This protects equipment and improves product quality. Precise weighing ensures batch consistency. Every ingredient follows a strict formula.
The recycled ingredients are combined together. The foundation of the tile mixture is formed.
Color pigments give recycled tiles their unique appearance. Each batch follows a carefully controlled formula.
The binder holds recycled particles together. It is essential for tile strength and durability. All recycled ingredients enter the mixing stage. This creates a uniform composite material.
Technicians verify mixture consistency. Only approved batches continue forward.
Clean molds ensure flawless tile surfaces. Preparation is critical before molding. The release coating prevents sticking. It allows easy tile removal later. Each mold receives an exact material dose. Consistency is maintained across every tile. Level surfaces create uniform tile thickness. Precision preparation improves final quality. Powerful hydraulic pressure compacts the mixture. This creates a dense and durable structure. Compression removes trapped air. The tile gains structural integrity. Heat activates the binding system. The recycled materials permanently bond together. Controlled curing maximizes durability. The tile structure becomes permanently stable. The curing cycle is complete. Finished tiles are ready to leave their molds. The cured tiles are removed from their molds. The recycled material has fully taken shape. Controlled cooling prevents internal stress. It helps preserve tile strength and shape. Temperature monitoring ensures proper cooling. Only stable tiles move forward. Trimming removes excess molded material. Precise dimensions begin to take form.
Finished edges improve appearance and fit. Attention now shifts to the tile surface.
Surface texturing improves grip and safety. It also enhances the tile's appearance. Every texture pattern is inspected carefully. Uniformity is essential for performance. Every texture pattern is inspected carefully. Uniformity is essential for performance. A protective coating improves durability. It helps resist moisture and wear.
The coating is cured for maximum protection. This creates a long-lasting surface layer.
The finished surface is examined closely. Visual quality standards must be met. Automated systems verify precise dimensions. Accuracy ensures easy installation. Flatness is critical for floor applications. Each tile must remain perfectly stable.
Water resistance is carefully tested. The coating must protect the recycled tile.
Compression testing verifies structural durability. The tile must withstand years of use. Impact tests simulate dropped objects. The recycled tile must resist cracking. Flexibility helps absorb everyday stress. Balanced performance improves longevity. Wear testing simulates years of foot traffic. Surface durability is carefully measured. Visual inspections catch even minor flaws. Only perfect tiles move forward. Defective products are removed immediately. Quality standards remain strictly controlled.
Only approved tiles reach the final stage. The recycling journey is nearly complete.
Final cleaning enhances presentation quality. Every tile is prepared for customers. Each tile receives a traceable identification code. This supports quality tracking and logistics.
The final inspection confirms product readiness. The recycled floor tiles are approved for shipment.
The recycled tiles have taken their final shape. Now they must pass rigorous quality checks. Every tile must meet strict strength standards. Load testing verifies long-term durability.
Impact tests simulate real-world abuse. The tile must resist cracking and damage.
Flexibility improves comfort and durability. Balanced performance is carefully measured. Automated scanners verify exact dimensions. Only approved tiles move forward. Finished tiles are carefully organized into sets. Protective separators prevent surface damage. Automated systems load the finished products. Each carton is prepared for transportation. Every carton is sealed for safe delivery. The products are now ready for identification. Tracking labels provide complete traceability. Every shipment can be monitored from factory to customer. Old shoes have been transformed into durable and beautiful floor tiles. A remarkable recycling journey gives waste a valuable second life.